Hey party planners, are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your party planning services? You're in the right spot, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your party planning services. Let's jump in. If you haven't heard of MartySites before, MartySites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. As you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for party planner. There it is over there. You also have the options to select the general service business template. Great. Let's tell MartySites a few basic details about our party planning service so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MartySites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, MartySites will instantly generate a simple website for your business with the information you've just put in. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be going to show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. The great thing about the platform, which makes it a little bit different from other website builders, is we've actually pre-written all the content for you specific to a party planner, and pre-selected images too specific to a party planner as well. Basically, whichever website template you select on our platform out of the hundreds, it will automatically pre-write content for you specific to your market and pre-select images that are completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you want to upload your own images. You can customize everything. So let's get started. Let me show you how easy it is to make any changes. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to put in my email address. Want to make sure that that's visible to my customers, and phone numbers, click to call. Physical location, maybe you're a mobile business, you can leave this off, but if not, pop in your address. When your website's live, your customer can actually click on that address, be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath updates, social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your brand new website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to update logo to upload it. You can make minor edits to your logo or resize it here on the right by making it bigger and smaller. To change the colors used throughout your brand new website, just click on that paint icon. There are so many color palettes to choose from. For each section you'd like to change it up a bit, maybe change those images or the call to action buttons and where they link to, just click on that handy button. Underneath that image, you have the option to browse your device and upload your own images or search the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts if you have a profile and pull in those images. Underneath update action, you can change those call to action buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe a great idea to put in your pricing points and packages, or link to another website, maybe take online bookings for an introduction when you meet your customers. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you with all their queries for your services. Domains are really easy as well. MartySites makes use of Entry, which makes connecting your domain super simple. It literally connects your domain for you. If you've already purchased a custom domain, go ahead and click on that button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't quite have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. Go ahead and click on that button. You can actually purchase a custom domain by the MartySites platform as well. How convenient is that? I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website for your party planning service on the MartySites platform. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any questions about MartySites, feel free to pop them down below in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer them. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, check out our other videos for loads of valuable information on marketing your small business. All the best.